Well, hello everyone, and welcome to our channel, The Nation Needs You All About SSB. All the first-time viewers are requested to please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you will be notified about all the latest uploads. And please do share and like it to as many defense aspirants as possible. So today is the episode of Ask Your Doubt, and we are going to discuss SRT and how one should approach it. Again, needless to mention, the inputs were given by the captain who wants to be unidentified, citing the protocol. So here comes the SRT number 1. You are going by your vehicle and its tire got puncture. You will. Many candidates will start writing the crammed answers like number 1, will bring it dragging to the nearest mechanic. Number 2, will park it at safe place, bring mechanic and get it repaired. Few ultra talented people will write that will see the sun, sense the direction and start walking in direction he or she came from. These all are fabricated answers. Please notice and then start writing. The SRT talks about vehicle. It didn't mention two-wheeler or four-wheeler or for that matter anything. You can easily take vehicle as a car and start writing that you will change the tire, get it fixed and resume the journey. Since it's expected out of anyone whosoever drives car that changing tire is basic thing to do. Also, if you are preparing for defense, this is in fact a very basic expectation, to be honest. So what you learned? Observe well before writing the SRT response. With this we come to SRT number 2. This SRT is very famous. You are coming via train for SSB and notice that your suitcase carrying all the relevant documents is missing. The possible responses will be that the person will immediately call SSB center, inform them about the theft. The second possible response could be that he or she will deboard at station of destination and lodge complaint with RPF, which is Railway Protection Force. The ultra legends will write that they will leave no stone unturned in search operation, will provide suitcase dimension for easy recognition. Hold on, the statement says suitcase is missing, not stolen. Understand the difference. Missing means not at the place you kept. There is a possibility that some passenger put it or dragged it to the other place so that he could make place for his own luggage. So the ideal response would be to ask fellow passengers, looked here and there and got it in some other cabinet, then the one you kept it. Keep things simple, do not complicate them. So again, what's the point that you learned here? Do not assume the problem as big and complex. Think practically. With this we come to the SRT number 3. You are going for your interview and suddenly an accident happened right in front of you. You will. Let's see the responses in this. The number 1 response will be, you will step out, call ambulance and go along with the injured person to the hospital. Few will write that you will take the injured person to hospital by borrowing vehicle from someone and get him or her treated. Again, the ultra legends response would be, will carry the injured person to nearby hospital, call his parents, will not go unless affected person's parents or whole family doesn't come. So, if you will wait till this time, who will go for the interview? See, here your job is to ensure that the injured person is in the right hands. So call the ambulance, the medical experts will come and take him or her. They will inform the family members as well. You can wait till ambulance comes or you may go till hospital as well if time allows. But keep in mind the interview also. Since it's important for you, so show how to manage health even without getting affected. And here what's your lesson? Giving yourself too much at cost of another important work is not wiseful. If you are intelligent, make use of available resources. Since nowhere in question it's said that you saw accident happening in deserted place. So take help of others as well. So these are the 3 SRTs which candidates usually come across. We will try to bring on more and more doubts of these sort and obviously ask from you people. So please keep posting your doubts and queries under the comment section. Do write us back and we will try to remediate the issues which you are facing. Till then, keep watching The Nation Needs You All About SSB, and yes, do not miss to subscribe. Bye-bye.